So the next video I'm going to do is the unboxing of a Newport wig. It's a 16-inch Newport Kinky wig from Nadula. It comes in a box like this. It always comes, it's kind of little, you know, it's a little cardboard, but you have a little flares here and there, but the wig is always secured. So I'm going to do the unboxing right now, and we're going to go through this together. And on the box it says, be confident, be bold, be you. From Nadula. And in this box, we're going to show you the 16-inch Newport wig. And it came with a free roll, free gift with your order. And the normal goodies, it normally comes with in a goodie bag. So we're going to go to the goodie bag showing you guys. And so this is when you're installing it to hold the wig down. You put it around the head like how it's around my head. But this wig is not from Nadula. This is from Couture Glam Shop or Kim Couture and Face. So this is one of these. And then it comes with a 2-piece wig cap for ball cap metal. These are good. As you can see, it's really blended in the head. Beautiful. Fits to our skin. And it comes with 3D make eyelashes. And it comes with also a mini brush to apply the makeup on the lips or to blend. But I don't think I will need this for a Newport wig because this is usually leave out in the oven. I'll be doing a video later on showing the install or doing the install, which is the easiest for me. Coming soon, hopefully next month. Or I should be wearing this in the next 2 weeks. Carnival is coming up. So you gotta get you one of these. It's not a chicken salad. Also a net over it. So they also keep the wig secure. I always just something. The pattern is nice. I like it. Hair feels good, but what I'm going to do is straighten it. It's 150 density by the way, but what I'm going to do is straighten it and flatten my hair when I'm going to do the install. So it could blend really good and nice. It's a 16 inch. Yeah. Also, if you add on one of these, well, I have my shirts, so it may be different, but the link will be below in video description. And if you're one of the first 50 orders for the day, you will receive one of these hair straightening combs from Nadula. These are very good, very convenient. I test tried it in my previous video. I recommend it. It goes all the way up to 480. But this is the way. The hair feels nice, everything. Recommend. 10/10, love it. I really recommend it. Kinky hair, Newport. It's on sale, guys. I will leave some coupon codes down below in the description, so you can use the codes also and have a chance of getting one of these. Or these comes with the but there was a giveaway, and I received the roll. The Nadula roll comes with belt, and this is it. Says Nadula in the back. I'm not gonna put it on. I'm a big girl, but you know, these shirts, they smile. Oh, American big boom. Especially Caribbean yarn. Yeah. But I like how I have the design and everything, and I have a string here. But I don't see one right here, but this looks very, oh, they have a little inside. Very convenient, or a belt, so I wish I had pockets, but
It's good. This material is silky and nice. Love it. Can you recommend us for the top good after the video? Just turn it on.
Not even trying. I just feel the quality and I just know. It don't feel so good.